Dean Dill was a dear friend of mine, and I still remember the day he unleashed Blizzard on me. It's the kind of secret that once you learn it, it kind of changes the way you think about magic.
They're all blank.
How are you doing this? Oh my god! What?
I said none of them are printed.
And when he told me what he did, how he fooled me, I said, "No, you didn't." He said, "Yes, I did." And I said, "You did not." And he said he did.
I highly recommend Dean Dill's Blizzard. I was lucky enough to be at the convention where he introduced the trick. He walked up to my booth, he did this and completely fooled me. Then he explained how it worked and I was even more amazed. I had to carry it. For the next year or so, I sold hundreds of them, fooling every single person I showed it to, magician or layman. And in both cases, the second you hand them that blank deck and it's completely examinable, their brain explodes. I highly recommend you get it. You won't be sorry.